Hey guys, we have merch now. Check it out under the description box.
Hey guys, lots of birds, ignore that. We're right by the island. So right now, documenting in time, I'm not sure when you'll see this, but right now, the US and specifically Florida, southern US, there is a huge dust cloud that has come from the Sahara Desert and has traveled over 5,000 miles, and this dust cloud is over us right now and over some other parts of the southern US and, you know, everything that's below us. So it's been really interesting to be out here this weekend because the skies are blue, but everything is really hazy and weird kind of looking. So, you know, otherwise, you know, when you look in the sky, you can see that there's this blue tint behind this haze, but it just makes the whole day seem like dusk. It just seems like it's just about to be nighttime all day long. So it's really cool. I'll kind of pan you around. So if you look this way, it's a little bit bluer over here, you know, and then this way is much, you know, dustier. So this is west. And that's obviously east, you know, towards land. We're here in the Gulf. But yeah, so it's been really cool. It's Sunday. This is our third day out this weekend. We've been out Friday, Saturday, and Sunday today. Yeah, and it's just been this kind of like a hazy, weird, interesting weekend. So I wanted to make sure that I explained and documented that because, you know, we just think it's super cool to just imagine that this is just all dust from the Sahara Desert. So yeah.
Sometimes I'll be overthinking, but tonight I just pour a drink and say bye-bye to the stress in me, 'cause nothing even matters anyway. To be so, 'cause you can leave it up to me. Please don't hold me down tonight. Please don't. I'll be rolling out till the sun comes up. If you think the feeling's right, is right, just say so. Yourself, feel the rush.
Santa Bobby.
Big ol'
Big ol'
fatty.
Look how big this is. There's my hand.
Pick up your trash.
All right, guys, I'm on net duty right now. Let's hope I don't fuck it up. What do you think it is?
It's gonna be a red.
Bay says it's gonna be a red, guys. Yep, I kind of looks like it's a red. Oh, that is a sexy ass fish, guys. Look at that, look at that. Just had thrown the mullet in literally 10 seconds after he cast it. Okay, hook is out. Let's put him back in. Just like we always say, guys, you want to keep them in the water as calm as possible. I'm gonna flip him so he's getting water the right direction. You see that? You want him fighting still. You want him to be like really calm. Oh, as calm as they can be, like in a net, but like, you know, breathing and all of that fun stuff. Okay.
23.
About 23. All right, bye, bud. Oh, that's perfect. Not even phased. That's what happens, guys, when you keep them in the water until you have all of your stuff ready, your whole life together, your picture, your camera, your measuring tape, whatever it needs. You keep them in the water and then they take off no problem. High five.
I'll be rolling out till the sun comes up.
Happy Sunday, guys. Cheers. I have my weekend hooker cup, etched by the one and only The Etch Company. Subtle promo, not sponsored, but I do love my etched cups.
Drink a say bye-bye to the stress in me. 'Cause nothing even matters anyway.
Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.